Hi there, Kevin McNew with Quantum Hedging here with our model forecast on January 20th. Hope you had a good 3-day weekend and we're back for the markets. Our model over the weekend is showing us a pretty flat and neutral bias. That's 2 weeks now after the big cataclysmic move down from USDA's report. And so as we flip through this and look through some of the forecasts, whether you're looking at spread forecasts in our PDF or you're looking at our flat price forecast, the models are very neutral. And why is that? Well, let me kind of give you kind of a backstory of what happens when models see big changes. When models see big changes, they sort of recalibrate. Our models in particular are looking for conviction. So as humans, we tend to naturally see big changes and we bring energy to want to make counter big changes. We want to trade more, we want to do more when we see a big market correction like this. But our models are the exact opposite. Our models bring calmness, they bring calibration, they bring clarity, because what they're doing now is sifting through thousands of features and sorting them and saying, which of these features, if any of them, tell me to go higher or to believe the market will go higher, and which of these features will tell me or show me that we believe the market will go lower. So our model is constantly doing this balancing act. Bullish features, bearish features, weighing them, counterbalancing them, and coming up with a forecast. So right now, we can look at these 50% probabilities that our model is spitting out roughly to say a model doesn't really have anything that's pulling it one way or the other. It has a lot of things it's looking at, still looking at the same 1,000 things it's been looking at every week and every time we put out a model run. But in the current kind of shuffling of cards, whether it's weather from South America, whether it's the crude oil and the energy market that's spilling over, whether it's export demand, all these things are showing up in our model, but they're kind of washing away as they bump up against other things. Some are bullish, some are bearish, and they're kind of at this point watching and washing away. So what is our job as traders and humans? Our job as traders and humans is to be patient, to recognize that we don't need to trade every time the market is open or every week we have a forecast. We need to be calm and confident and make those trades 3 to 6 times a year that are statistically valid. In other words, they're backed by statistical probabilities. That's what quantum hedging brings to you every week, is a statistical probability that you can trust, that is based on thousands of features that we've engineered to kind of tell us where we think the market's going to go. So this week, very neutral on corn. And that's in contrast. I might mention that there is a little bit more upside in the normal seasonal for the next month. Our normal seasonal for corn at this time of year is 62% up. Our model says only 53% up. So with everything it's looking at, all the features it's looking at, it says there's actually kind of more negativity in the corn market, if you will, than there is normal at this time of year, which gives us a little bit of a more neutral forecast for corn. For beans, it's a much harder job this time of year. Our job is really trying to predict a coin flip. Normally this time of year, it's a coin flip. 50% of the time it goes up, 50% of the time it goes down. Our model doesn't see a lot right now. You can see we only have 56% probability to the upside. So our model doesn't see a lot in the 1,000 features that it says, yeah, I would lean heavily this direction. So we don't have that indicator from our model. So we step back as traders, we relax and we go, okay, protect and neutral. That's kind of our view right now. We don't have fire and conviction right now from our model to make trades. So hope that's helpful. As always, visit us online, quantum-hedging.com, to learn how we can help you in your own disciplined trading marketing system with our AI analytics. Have a good one, everyone. Thank you for joining us.